New scope unboxing day, the Zerotech TRACE in 4.5 to 27 by 50 with a 1-inch tube, a 30mm tube to let all that light through. It's not my first Zerotech, probably won't be my last. I love them and I've played with this one in the shop, so spoiler alert, it's amazing, but I thought I'd take you guys on the journey. Got your little congratulations card and the QR code scans for the manual, and I think if you can register them online for the customer service. As always, they present beautifully. They come with a free neoprene cover. In the little bag usually comes a few little stickers and, oh yeah, here we go. A couple little grub screws and your Allen key. A little multi-tool to take with, that's pretty cool. Little turret multi-tool to lock into place. One of those awesome little glass cloths. Sticker, and I think this will be the MOA, yeah. So it's my first ever focal plane, FFP reticle. So I'm looking forward to playing with that, learning about that. And I've run the rifle for quite some time. It's my 30-06 made by Ticker. So I'll know the ammo I'm going to run, so I'll be able to get my ballistics down pat, and hopefully we actually be able to use this for either holdovers using the reticle or getting my head around all these really smooth running dials. Now, what I love about these Zerotechs is straight out of the box, they're always a little bit heavier than some others, but I think that's to do with quality and robustness. It is my first Zerotech that comes with the built-in lens protectors, and I like that. I had a mate's that I used in New Zealand late last year that had those, and it just felt real nice pushing through the scrub, even though we both used the sling covers, or the rifle covers as well. It's just kind of nice to know the glass itself's protected. In these dials, there is as good as any price dial you'll have. They're firm, they're smooth, there's nothing loose about them. When you get up into the turrets, it's a nice easy pull. It's a very clear sound, so you definitely know if you're clicking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you know, it's a very obvious, very crisp sound, and the numbering is really quite clear and large font. I can read it, and normally I have glasses, so that's a good start. The 4.5 up to 27, dialing right up to 27's going to be a heap of fun when it's needed. But I'm really looking forward to put this build together for you. But that's the unboxing of the Zerotech TRACE 4.5 27 by 50 in the first focal plane reticle. Let's rock and roll.